Have you ever wondered how the horns of gray Brahman bulls roaming in the fields turn into ultra-luxury handbags and eyeglasses worth millions of rupees? How does something that people consider useless become the most premium material in the fashion world? Let's go straight inside the gray Brahman bull horn factory today and see the complete process of how this luxury masterpiece is actually made. First comes sourcing. These horns are ethically collected. After arriving at the factory, the very first task is their deep cleaning. These raw horns are boiled in large tanks for several hours. This process completely cleans the dirt and bone marrow inside the horn, leaving no risk of infection. After boiling, this hard horn starts to soften a bit, making the further process easier. Now it's time for cutting. A skilled artisan cuts and separates the useless parts of the horn, namely the tip and the base. Then these cylindrical pieces are heated over extreme fire or heat. Upon heating, this hard horn becomes flexible, just like rubber. Now this flexible horn is immediately put into a heavy hydraulic press. This machine presses this cylindrical horn and turns it into a flat sheet. This step is the most delicate. A slight mistake and the horn can break. These sheets are left to cool down. Now these flat horn sheets are cut according to the designer patterns of the handbag. Brahman bull horns have a natural gray and brown marble pattern. This means no two bags in the world are exactly alike. Every piece is unique. These pieces are buffed and polished for several hours until they achieve a glass-like shine. The final step is assembly. These polished horn plates are carefully stitched with premium leather or silk. And to give the final touch, 24-karat gold-plated or brass hardware, like chains and locks, is added. One final quality check, and there you have it. A masterpiece is ready, which is now ready to go straight into high-end luxury boutiques. To turn these round and hard horns into eyeglass frames, they are first heated. Their hardness is reduced using hot oil or high-pressure steam. When they soften, heavy hydraulic presses transform them into completely flat plates. These flat horn plates are allowed to cool. After that, using computerized CNC machines or laser cutters, the front frames and temples of the eyeglasses are cut out from these solid plates with immense precision. After cutting, the frames are rough, and from here, the machine's work ends and the magic of human hands begins. Skilled artisans carve each frame with their own hands, rounding the edges, giving the perfect shape to the nose bridge. All this takes hours of hard work. Then begins the polishing process. These frames are buffed with different polishing wheels and compounds. As the polishing progresses, the natural glossy and glass-like translucent pattern of the Brahman bullhorn emerges. In the final step, high-quality metal hinges and screws are fitted into these shiny frames. And finally, lenses are attached. And there you have it. An ultra-luxury gray Brahman bullhorn eyeglass is ready. Since every design is completely natural, the glasses you own will have a design that no one else in the entire world has.